do you feel when you got the job offer and you got the salary which is more than your expectation? It is true and it is possible. How do you feel when you have given the interview and recruiter was in hurry? He was about to leave and he has accepted your negotiation part. Whatever you accepted, whatever you expected, they have expected. It means जो भी आपको चाहिए मैं दे रहा हूं. Your wish is my command. Have you ever imagined that? And have you ever thought that this can be also possible? We are going to talk about salary negotiation. So there are so many people in our job industry. They used to fear, they used to get stress during the interview when it comes to salary negotiation. बहुत सारे ऐसे लोग हैं जैसे ही सैलरी नेगोशिएशन का पार्ट आएगा वो कांपने लगते हैं, दे डरने लगते हैं, दे हेजिटेट टू टॉक अबाउट मनी. And we are going to talk how to overcome that. I'm going to give you some tips, probably 7 tips, you can say 7 tips that will be, if you implement that, you will be master of salary negotiation. So salary negotiation का जो main part है वो होता है research. And what you are going to do in research and where you are going to do research. Number one, you should plan. You should plan very well what you are going to talk. Have a solid understanding what is your market value. Have a solid understanding what is your worth. So there is 2 websites which I am going to recommend you. Glassdoor and PayScale. Go ahead and check what is your worth, what is your market value right now, so that at least you will be aware beforehand, before even appearing into the interview, that what is your worth. And हिंदी में बोलते हैं कि आपकी वैल्यू क्या है, what is your market value. So number one comes to research. Now the question is, when it comes to research, what should you do research, what should I do? You can ask the question. आपने बोल तो दिया कि रिसर्च करो, बट करना क्या है? I was in my coaching team, I think almost 1 year back, and I used to listen with my mentor, change, change, change. You have to change, you have to work a lot, change yourself. And I don't know what to change. And when I got to know what I have to change, things has been changed. So today I am going to tell you, अगर आपको अपनी मार्केट वैल्यू सर्च करनी है तो सर्च करना क्या है. Number one, you have to search about the amount of experience. Let's suppose you have 3 year experience. So check 3 year experience वालों को कितना पैसा कंपनी देती है. And if you have Java developer role, let's suppose you are in Java development with 3 year experience. So number one, 3 year. Number two, your role. Number two, your domain. Number two, your responsibility. Now check in Glassdoor or PayScale. What is the worth of 3 year experience of a Java developer? The roles and responsibility. Number three, you can check the company size. When I say company size, you need to check the organization which you are going to give the interview. What is the size of that organization? So that you can expect as per the market standard, as per the market value. And last but not the least, you need to check geographic location. Why geographic location is important? Let's suppose मैं लखनऊ से हूँ और मैं अगर लखनऊ में अभी जॉब करने जाऊँ तो मुझे वो सैलरी नहीं मिलेगी जो मुझे चेन्नई में मिलती है. I'm just giving an example कि लखनऊ and Chennai both are different together when it comes to salary, because they will give the justification that it's a tier 1, tier 2 or tier 3 organization. So you need to check the geographic location as well. And number two, this was your research. And the phase 2, you need to check about the what is the range you can expect, what is the range you can ask. So start with bottom. So there is a psychology which comes in salary negotiation, starting with high value and negotiating, fixing with low. Okay, always remember, start with high and fix on low. But लेट सपोज आपने अपना स्टैंडर्ड फिक्स कर रखा है कि मुझे मिनिमम 10 लाख का सैलरी चाहिए और रिक्रूटर बोल रहा है मेरा बजट नहीं है. हैव अ फिक्स प्लान that I am not going to lower my standard. I am not going to lower my standard. You are not supposed to go less than your standard. Number one, the phase one is planning and research. Number two, you should know your range. And number three, you should know your walkaway point. You should know your walkaway range. You should know your walkaway value. Let's suppose you have decided that you need at least 10 lakh income, 10 lakh salary. So you should know how much is the PF, how much they are going to deduct tax, and how much will be your take-home salary. Apart from this, you should know your walkaway point also. So phase number 3 is your walkaway point. So I have one friend, and he was giving interview in 2017, I guess, and he was in Chennai. He gave interview for Bangalore. So during the negotiation, he asked only one thing: I need 1 lakh rupee in hand. I don't know whatever the package you are going to give me. I need 1 lakh in hand. If it is possible, we can proceed. If it is not possible, it's okay. So that person was very well aware what is his worth and what is his expectation. So walkaway point was 1 lakh for him. So you should know your walkaway point, phase number 3. And number 4, let's suppose the employer is ready. Your performance is good and is ready to hire. Then don't be too hard. That let's suppose you have done the market research. That range is coming from 10 to 20. 10 to 20. And you fixed the goal in your mind, I need maximum 20. And you are not ready to negotiate less than 20. So if that person is ready, if the recruiter is ready, if the organization is ready to hire you, don't be the bottleneck of your own thinking. 20 lakhs is just a number. Maybe after 1 year, you will get the promotion, you will get the hike in the same organization, you can get more than 20. So you should be little bit soft-hearted also during the negotiation. When you get the sense that the other person on the other side is ready to take you. So this is phase number 4. And phase number 5, you should have plan. You should have a very well-defined plan before talking about salary. Now, what is plan? What plan you should have? Number 1, you should be very well aware what is the PF you are going to contribute. You should be very well aware what is PF they are going to contribute. You should be aware what is your income, what is your expense. You should have a clear background of your financial actually. Phase number 5. And phase number 6, try to negotiate on Thursday or Friday. Try to fix your negotiation meeting on Thursday or Friday. It's a psychological fact. The people who negotiate their salary on Thursday and Friday, they get more than they want. So this is a psychological fact. There are very huge research happen in the Career Development College of London and Economic Office of Wing. So try to negotiate Thursday or Friday, no more than that. If it is possible, Thursday, and if it is not, then between Thursday or Friday, anything, but not other days. It will not give you the favorable result. You can get the one you want, but if you want more than you want, Thursday and Friday the answer. And last but not the least, you need to practice. You need to practice your delivery. You need to practice your negotiation. You need to practice your pitch, what you're going to talk during the interview. So to practice, we used to organize free session every month. So whenever you want, whenever the day is getting approached, you will get the notification. Stay tuned in any of the social media and you will get the notification. And last but not the least, my dear friend, you will get the interview call only when you have an amazing resume. And to get an amazing resume, what I have done the research of since last 5 years. I spoke with so many people and I have created a pattern where they are lagging. And to solve that problem, I have created a template which is 100% free of cost and 100% ATS proof applicant tracking system. So go ahead, download. The link is already given below. Go ahead, download your amazing resume template, create your resume, and you can share it with me for the review. I would love to help you. Thank you so much, guys. Keep learning, keep signing. If you have not subscribed the channel, you might have seen somewhere here or somewhere here. Go ahead, subscribe the channel, hit the like button, and share it with your friend. Thank you so much. Keep learning, keep shining. I'll see you on the other video. Take care. All the best.